not good.
What is going on with your website?
But I like it better than this one. So I'm gonna try and sand it and fix it up a little bit. Today we're gonna work on this some more. Whoop. She's just having a nap. But I don't think I have any glue left, or I have very little glue left. And my rotary tool is kind of messed up. So we're just gonna smooth this out just a little bit more, because I want this to look good. Then I'll cut into this and then see what I can do about those little bolts on there. Not bolts, they're like little things.
The heroes get the honor and glory. I will prove myself. Two to the one, and one to the three. I'm in Overwatch, cause Papa told me.
The daughter of Torbjorn.
My baby!
You'll be disappointed. You can play comp with me. Damn, fun! Get something Scotland. Swedish, try it. Trust me, you got it.
Say my name.
Brigitte.
Brigitte. Brigitte.
Brigitte.
Get behind me. My shield's up. Hey, my rally is ready.
So today I'm working on Brigitte and working on this button thing, but right now it's kind of, I need to basically just sand the inside of this, so I'm gonna leave that aside and start working on some other stuff. Like, I'm gonna have to kind of reconstruct this. I'm gonna have to take off the glue and re-glue it. But I'm gonna just try and construct all the pieces and then fit them all on, because I think that's where my big problem came. Because I glued this on, and then I did this one, and that's where some of these problems are happening. I don't know if you can see that. But, because I messed up the button the first time, don't know if I recorded that, I can use this piece to do this little piece that attaches the collar to the part that sticks out here, and I also just etched in with this super thin attachment on my sanding Dremel into this. It's kind of a little bit small, but maybe I can fix it. Maybe. Either way, I'm gonna trace this shape into here and hope for the best.
No shortcuts, just hard work. I will be your shield. Just doing my part.
Reinhardt Squire.
I'm on fire.
Rocket Flail. Whip.
I'm your Thanks for the fakes, Angela, but I'm much better. I'm a little extra. Who's ready to take some mace to the face?
Why you bullying me?
I am unstoppable!
Nani?
next part is the actual collar, so we're gonna do our best there. Okay. I'm not even sure which phone I should use. I'm leaning towards the 6mm. It's kind of thick, like, I think it might be 10mm. No, it'd be the same as whatever this is running. It's the 6mm. So, this is too big of a task. I don't want to work on it right now. Either way, my inspiration kick just came in because I want to work on a different costume, and I can't work on that till this one is done because I need this done before that fall. Yeah, I'm hurrying up and finish this damn baguette because I want to work on Sailor Moon, aka Sailor Moon Sharonda. Because she's pretty, and Brigitte is pretty too, but I don't suit her well at all, and the armor makes me look fat, so...
Er ist neu in der Klasse und ein Hühne von Kind und er hat Hände wie Stahl, die groß wie Kohlenschaufeln sind. Auf unserem Schulhof, da wird nur gemunkelt, dass wenn er in die Klasse kommt, sich alles gleich verdunkelt. Er sieht furchterregend aus mit seinem Stiergesicht. Er hat wohl viele Kräfte, aber Freunde hat er nicht. Und treffe ich ihn mal alleine im Mondenscheine, verlasse ich mich lieber auf meine Beine. Ich weiß nicht so genau, ob ich ihm mal trau. Vielleicht haut er mir ja gleich beide Augen blau. Kann auch sein, der Neue ist in Wahrheit gar nicht schlecht. Und er ist sanft wie ein Lamm und alle tun ihm Unrecht. Mach uns die Welt nicht.
So here's the new plan of action. This base, oh wait, I actually still need this piece. But this base, trash, gone. What we're gonna do instead is probably not out of this, but, you know, out of this same foam, out of the roll. We're gonna plop it like right, like about that much underneath it. And then have just do like this sleeve out of this, and then it will be more round. And we're gonna connect it in the back. And the back might be 2 pieces, might only be 1. It depends what it takes to get it to curve correct. So here's my thought process so far. We have the fabric, alright, and it's folded still. I have the sleeves, the neck, and the pants, the legs, and I'm gonna try to cut this out. And then I'm gonna flip the leg because when you, oh shoot, wait, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Is it? Oh no, it's not. Because when you do this like that. Okay, then I guess we're just gonna fold out the legs and see what we got.
denn hier ist kein Gangsterparadies.